the common denominator for us in South Africa, a combined asset, a platform of digital health infrastructure does not exist. So as you build your technology base, you start with what is only essential, not to try and rebuild what already exists. And as you get to points in time that you need to dovetail into, for instance, a health information exchange, we know that it exists. We've been part of that process. And if it involves the government, hopefully further down the line, they will also be ready to collaborate and participate. But we can't sit back and wait for when that eventually happens. We've got to start and serve our projects that we've identified and make sure that whatever functionality is that we can provide to them now to accelerate their needs right now, and the business requirements and the functional requirements to head up towards those objectives.
Anything that we build is going to need to comply to interoperability standards, which means we can exchange data with national health and be able to integrate with those kind of platforms that are already there. So what we've built is this platform, again, a platform which is multi-tenanted, which means that you can have your own accounts on this platform. It's intended for national health, but national health can't implement anything. Not because they're incapable, well, maybe because they are a little bit incapable, but it's not their mandate. What we have done is we've hosted our platforms at the Medical Research Council's data center and the Center for High Performance Computing, which is also part of the CSIR, NASREC.
I look at this and I think, my word, you guys have a lot to offer. So my question really to you is, how can we work together? And what
so let me tell you what I don't have. I don't have a business model.
Part of the teams that we will bring together in these initiatives are also exactly those folks that know how to put these business models together, and not only just for our own projects, but to potentially look at collaborating with your organization to participate in your ambitions. So yeah, I think that's really for me the takeaway